Next type of intrusion detection system is network based IDS. So this NIDS is placed into the network. It exists as a software process on a dedicated hardware system. The NIDS places the network interface card into the system into promiscuous mode, meaning that the card means all the traffic into the network is passed through this NIDS. The NIDS system primary is the signature based. This means that the set of attack signature has been built into the system and these are compared against the traffic on the wire. Okay, so if an attack is used that is not in the signature file, then the NIDS will not pick it up. The NIDS system also have the capability to specify traffic of interest. The traffic of interest on the network based on the source address, destination address, then source address, destination address, source port and destination port. The most configuration for the NIDS is to use the two network interfaced card. It uses two network interfaced card. One is placed into the network to monitor a network. This card is placed in a stealthy mode so that it does not have an IP address, and that is why it is not necessary to give the response to the sender. And the second card is used to communicate with the IDS management system and to send alarms. The advantages of these IDS systems are the NIDS is completely hidden, so the attacker will not know that he is being monitored. Next advantage is a single NIDS can be used to monitor traffic to a large number of potential target system. Next is the NIDS can capture the contents of all packets traveling to a target system. Disadvantages of NIDS system include the NIDS system can only alarm if the traffic matches pre-configured rules. It can miss the traffic of interest due to high bandwidth. The NIDS cannot determine if the attack was successful. The NIDS cannot examine traffic that has to be encrypted. Switch networks require special configuration so that NIDS can see all the traffic. So these are the disadvantages of NIDS.